Hi friends. To make 5 single crochets for the next 5 stitches. For another corner, make an increase of 2 single crochets in the next 3 stitches. Now we are going to work along this side. Make 7 single crochets in the next 7 stitches. And now we have reached the chain to space which we have done in the previous row. In the chain to space we have to make one single crochet, make a chain of 2 and another single crochet in the same stitch. And continue to make single crochet into each stitch until you reach the stitch marker. Once you reach the stitch marker, remove the stitch marker and make one single crochet in that loop and put the stitch marker in the last loop which we have just Remove the stitch marker and make one single crochet in that loop and put the stitch marker in the last stitch. For row 4, make one single crochet in the next stitch. We have to make 2 single crochets in this stitch, 1, 2, and make 2 single crochets in the next 2 following stitches, 1, 2. We have to repeat this 3 times. Make 2 single crochets in this stitch, 1, 2, and 2 single crochets in the next 2 following stitches, 1, 2. We have to do one more time, 1, 2, and 2 single crochets in the next 2 following stitches, 1, 2. Make 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2. Skip 2 stitches and make 4 single crochets in the next 4 following stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For another corner, make 2 single crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2. Stitches, 1, 2, and 3. In the chain 2 space, make one single crochet, chain 2 and make another single crochet in the same loop. Make 9 single crochets in the next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Remove the stitch marker and make one single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.